When did I start drinking?
Yes.
Quite a young age.
What age?
Quite young.
Be truthful for fuck's sake. No. When did you start drinking?
The age of 16.
Wide angle lens.
That's about 13.
I was 13.
About there again.
13, yeah. Okay. Who bought the drink for you?
And I'm an identified source now, you see.
Was it peer pressure or what was it?
No. Just experimenting. I like this.
Quite off, do you know, just get pissed and fucking...
Like, was it peer pressure or what?
No, yeah, sort of that, you know. All the boys were drinking that I knew, and I just started drinking as well.
Part peer pressure and part curiosity, but mostly curiosity.
Myself and Joe there were below an hour first in County Kerry drinking, and we were drinking.
We need light.
We drank serious amount of whiskey that night, and I passed out in the middle of the road.
I was there, I seen you, you
You no, right. And I passed out in the middle of the road, and Joe's dad came to collect us. And Joe's dad said, "What were you drinking tonight?" He said, "Excuse me."
Morning sausage beers or
Being English, okay, now no offense to you, but being English, you feel there's sort of, is there sort of a drinking culture?
Yeah, not as much as the Irish culture, that.
Okay.
It's more drunk, that's about it.
What negative effects has drinking had in your life?
Fine, man.
Fighting.
A belly.
A belly and fighting.
And you know, like, sick the morning after, man, it's sick.
No, I never said the morning after. Do you know what? Drinking has more positive effects than not drinking.
Yeah.
See,
Got a bit of a belly now, you know.
yeah, I have a bit of a belly. I got a belly.
Yeah, bro. Well, scoop that.
Come around me, boy.
Yeah.
I got a belly, like, and you know, I've been in a few fights, like, a few fights.
Put the camera down, shut up for a minute.